Hi everyone, I'm Mahesh Jayaraman, acupressure therapist, health counselor and co-founder of Sepalika.com. It's been around for thousands of years and is often called India's most famous export. When we think yoga, we're usually thinking extremely flexible people twisting their bodies into impossible poses. That may well be the poster for yoga, but there's another kind of yoga called therapeutic yoga, which can have a remarkable effect on chronic diseases. It involves gentle movements with more focus on accuracy of poses and breathing right, things that even a person with chronic illness can do with ease. While I've seen my patients benefit from practicing therapeutic yoga, I wondered if there was indeed a larger body of scientific evidence for it. One of the best pieces of research that I found was a meta-study, which means it's a study that has studied other studies which have all looked into evidence for yoga making a difference to chronic disease. This meta-study looked at 10 studies that were designed to study the effects of yoga on health-related quality of life across patients with chronic heart disease, stroke, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. It found that compared with the usual standard of care, yoga showed significant improvements in exercise capacity and improvements in health-related quality of life. Other studies done in different parts of the world again show the amazing improvements that people with chronic disease receive from doing yoga. Yoga, when it's done right, has the ability to live up to its name, which literally means union. It is able to influence the body, the mind, and the spirit, and the union of all three. Chronic diseases are often things going wrong on more than one plane. Depression often accompanies long-term illness, and in my practice I find that any patient who's able to just include even 20 minutes of yoga with a few breathing exercises in there does so much better even as they heal from the chronic disease. By influencing us on several levels, including the mental and the emotional, yoga is able to help us deal with chronic disease better as we work towards reversal. If you or anyone close to you suffers from any chronic disease, do advise them to look up the amazing benefits that yoga can bring. As with every other powerful practice, do make sure that you learn yoga from a qualified therapeutic yoga practitioner. And if you're on medications or under treatment, do make sure that you involve your physician before you begin any strenuous exercise. Wish you vibrant health and well-being.